Hello viewers and welcome to another session of Autodesk Civil 3D 2022. In this session, we will learn about profile display styles. And in order to do so, let's close this by default drawing number 1 and access the supporting file which is attached along with this video tutorial. Let's drag and drop this file into Civil 3D 2022 interface. So here is the basic profile. Let's go to Profile View Properties. Here we can see different object styles, starting from bottom stacked view, first view, full grid, intermediate grid, land desktop profile views, last view, and so on. We will select Profile View and create a copy. Under Information tab, we can change the name to 0. Profile View. We can change the creator name to Ola. In graph, you can see the vertical scale is set to 1 inch equals 6 feet. Current horizontal scale is 60 and vertical exaggeration is 10. What if we change it to 1, hit apply and see the effect. Now you can see there is no exaggeration and it is on as per actual basis. For better visualization, let's make it vertically exaggerated to 10 factor. We can directly edit from here. After graph, we have the grid options. If we clip it vertically and horizontally, you can see the effects like this. If we clip to highest profiles, you can see the effect here. Here you can clearly see the difference. And if we omit the grids in the padding areas, you can see this area is now empty. For the grid padding, major grids, we can adjust the above maximum elevation. You can see the difference is 10 or we can make it 0 again. To the left it is 1. We can make it 5 and you can see the difference like this. Let's make it back to 1. It was just for understanding. Then for the axis offset, currently there is no offset. But if we give in a value, say 5, you can see an offset like this. Next is title annotation. From here we can adjust the graph view title. Currently the text style is standard, however we can change it. The text height is 0.25. If we want to change it, we can insert any value. Like if we insert 1, you can see it is now pretty much larger in size than before. So we can change it back to 0.25 and see it's back to normal. The position of title can be adjusted either at the bottom, top, left or right. Furthermore, its justification can be done to middle, bottom or top, like this. Let's go with top and center. If we want any offset on X or Y, we can do it from here. Now you can see it is far more away, so let's make it 0.25 to bring it back. Then we can access the axis title text. What we want on the left, top, right and bottom. We can change the location, its rotation, its style, its height and the offset in X and Y. Same goes with the horizontal axis. We can access the top ones and the bottom ones. After selecting top or bottom, we can adjust the major tick details like their intervals, their tick size, and the tick justifications. So if we go with the 10 intervals, we get something like this. Let's keep it 100 and it goes like this. Text size can be improved or reduced. Same goes with the minor text details. We can change the intervals, like here it is 25, we can change it to something else. Similarly, the text size can be adjusted. The text styles, their rotation, and offsets in X and Y can also be adjusted. Then it comes to the vertical axis. It is quite similar to what we see in horizontal axis. We have left and right options, then we can adjust the intervals like this. We can make it 40 or back to 4. Text size can be adjusted. The justification of text could be in the center, left, or right. So we can adjust on as per project requirement. Along with text justification, we can adjust the height as well, change the text style, give a rotation or offset. In display, we can either turn on or off any type of details. For instance, if we want the left axis title, we can turn it on. If we don't want it, we can turn it off like this. Similarly for the right axis, so we make sure we want to make it visible or not. It is done simply by clicking this bulb-like icon. If it is yellow, it's on. If it's blue, it's off. So this is how we actually change the display style of our profile. Once it's done, we can simply save the file as lecture number 71, as we were doing all the changes in the supporting file which was attached along with this video tutorial. Let's call it a day. See you in another session. Till then, take care.